Engineering is evolving at SIT Pune. It is all about turning concepts into reality. From day one, we are encouraged to work on ideas that matter, starting with project-based learning and solving real-life challenges. By the second year, we are completely immersed in hands-on projects.
And then there's the Thinker Lab. It's a space where students can design, build, and innovate, like creating drones for hackathons. At SIT Pune, we host some really exciting hackathons, where innovation takes the center stage.
And it is not just about labs and competitions here at SIT. We collaborate with top industries to get real-world challenges into our classrooms. Students work on projects that are based on partnerships with industries, gaining a sneak peek into life after graduation.
Internships here are another highlight. Our college SIT provides us with opportunities to work with some leading companies, so we can work on cutting-edge projects and apply our classroom knowledge into real-world scenarios.
SIT Pune connects its students to the global stages through guest lectures, international collaboration and workshops. Every opportunity here is designed to broaden horizons and make future-ready engineers.
So if you're asking, will I be able to work on real-life projects and innovate? The answer is yes. At SIT, every day is about creation, innovation, and making an impact.